Hi everybody, so today we are working on dividing by 7. We know that when we are dividing, we start with a total number of objects or things, and then we separate them into groups equally. So today we're going to do that by using 7 as our divisor. We are working on Unit 13.2 in our Go Math workbook. So let's start by reading our essential question. It says, what strategies can you use to divide by 7? Well, let's come up with some strategies. Let's first unlock the problem. I'm going to read the question to make sure I understand all the words, and then I'll read it a second time to gather my information. It says, Erin used 28 large apples to make 7 apple pies. She used the same number of apples for each pie. How many apples did Erin use for each pie? Okay, I understood all of the words, so now let's go back in and find our important information. It says, Erin used 28 large apples to make 7 apple pies. Ooh, 28 apples, 7 apple pies. She used the same number of pies. Oh, that's important. The same number of pies or apples for each pie. Over here it asks, do you need to find the number of equal groups or the number in each group? How many apples did Erin use for each pie? Are we looking for equal number of groups or number in each group? Right here it says she used the same number of apples for each pie. How many apples did Erin use? We need to find how many in each group. We already know how many groups. They made 7 pies. So we need to know how many in each group. How many apples did they put in each pie? Okay. And what label will my answer have? Well, it will be apples in each pie. So how do I want to get there? Okay, one way we can do it is to make an array. Again, the numbers that we have so far are 28 total apples. That's our dividend. And we know they made 7 pies. That's our divisor. So we're going to draw one tile in each of 7 rows. Check. Now we need to continue drawing one tile in each of the 7 rows until all 28 tiles are gone. So that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Because I have 28 apples, right? And 7 pies. So count the number of tiles in each row. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 apples in that row. Are there 4 in every row? Well, yes, because in my array, I make sure that all of my rows are even as I go. So there are 4 tiles in each row. That means that 28 apples divided by 7 pies means there are 4 apples in each pie. So using an array helps keep me organized, and it shows me how many I have in each group. All right, so Erin used 4 apples for each pie. You can write 28 divided by 7 equals 4, or 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Using an array is one strategy for doing division. Let's look at another strategy. Go ahead and click to your next slide and watch the next video lesson.